Work from hotel packages. Is it actually worth it? Will you actually get any work done? Let's find out. In this video, I'll be reviewing the work from hotel package by the Chow and Ormond Hotel. The name of their work from home package is called the Hideaway, and the rate is 99 ringgit for one pax. If you want to add another pax, for example your co-worker to work with you, you have to add on 50 ringgit. The usage of the room is from 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. And if you'd like to extend the use of the room, you can at a rate of Rm 50 ringgit for one night. I asked them if we could bring a child, like a baby, if you have a baby, and yes, we are allowed to bring an infant under 2 years old to use the room at no additional rate. So now we're in the library room, and this is a room that you can book for meetings and such. And it's a nice room, but we won't be using it because we'll be staying in our rooms according to the current SOP. Refill water, and this is the closet that holds the bottles. So here, as you can see, we have empty bottles that we can use. So you could take one and you could refill your own drink here. The features, you can connect your device. The wrong button. Connect your device, and we should try this out. Ordered. I just want to know, do you have a menu of drinks, selection of drinks? Yep. Like coffee? Yes, because it's not wine. So here we have the menu. Unpack it. So here I ordered the tahu bergedil with ketchup sauce and cappuccino and a latte, and this amounted to 48 ringgit. So news update, it's now 3:40 p.m. and I'm doing my work on my laptop, and then my laptop says low battery, going in battery saving mode. I went to charge my laptop and realized I didn't bring my charger. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and ask the reception. I called them. They don't have an Asus laptop charger, but they do have a Dell laptop charger. So I'm just gonna go and check whether it's compatible. If not, I might have to go home. I don't know, because how can you work without a laptop? So silly me. What do I think about this package? I think that the service is great, the staff are friendly, and the food is delicious. If you like quaint spaces, then you'd like this place because the room is cozy. But if your home office is big and you're used to working in an open space, an airy space, walking in and outside the house, then you might feel a bit claustrophobic here because, like I said, the room is cozy. Because of the movement control order SOPs, hotel guests are not allowed in the common areas like the lobby, which is a bummer because this hotel is very beautiful. So, did I get any work done? You mean before my laptop ran out of battery? Yes, I did. The bed and the chair is comfortable, but when I'm having an online meeting, I personally prefer to work on a study desk because the angle is better and it's just overall more proper. Overall, it was nice to do my work here. It's nice to have your own space, especially if you're coming from a huge household and you're working from home and there's a lot of people at home. It's always noisy and boisterous and you can't get any work done. So this is a good place to escape. And like I said, the food here is delicious. But this room is small, so if your house is bigger, then probably you're more comfortable there. Nice to stay here for a couple of hours, but any longer than that, then you'll get very bored because there's nothing else to do. Have you guys stayed here before? If you do, please share what are your experiences and let me know in the comments. And if there's other work from hotel packages that you want me to check out, then let me know also. Thanks for watching. Oh, is my water spilling? Oh, maybe from outside. Sorry.
You wasted 11 seconds. Okay.